This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy and your SBUX 411. Yesterday, a total of 45 million contracts traded, about 14% below recent averages, 1.3 to 1 call put ratio. A mild July Consumer Price Index report after a milder Producer Price Index report on Tuesday reinforced expectations for a September rate cut by the Fed. Both the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ rallied for a fifth consecutive day, and the last 5-day performance has been the best since November of last year. SPX, implied volatility, saw a drop down nearly 10% to 13.5. Just last Monday, it was about double that, topping out at almost 28%. VIX traded about 1.2 million contracts, right in line with average daily volume, and the August 20 calls and the August 16 puts, very heavy volume. VIX spot settled at 16.19 yesterday, the lowest since August 1st, just above its 50-day moving average around 15.5. And overall, the VIX futures curve incredibly flat, with September about the same as spot, a little bit of a bump up into October and then down to 17 in December. On the equity side, NVDA options continue to be extremely active with over 4 million contracts traded, 1.5 to 1 call put ratio, and this week's 120 calls, 240,000 of those traded yesterday. CSCO was very active ahead of earnings, and StarBucks, a day after the stock rallied nearly 25% on news that the former CEO of Chipotle would be moving over to take the helm at Starbucks, traded 425,000 contracts, about 4 times daily volume. This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy and your SBUX 411.